Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the design is about to start with a bang, at least of the Apple lovers. Exclusive iPhone SE2 or maybe the iPhone 9 renders and 360-degree video is here. If rumors are to be trusted, the first half of the year will see the launch of the not just one but two iPads and a 4.7-inch iPhone as well. Probably target as the budget-friendly sector. It may be coined as iPhone 9 or the iPhone SE2. While we may not know about the real name until the launch, we do have renders and 360-degree video of the device exclusive from OneLeaks. OneLeaks has notoriously great success rates when it's come to the leaks. So OneLeaks tweets about the hand is say, and finally come your very first look at the Apple highly anticipated iPhone SE or maybe the iPhone 9. The 360-degree stunning official looking and 5K render dimension with her friend iGeeks blog. The iPhone SE2 was in our news section consistently throughout the second half of the 2019, but a new set of render from the reliable of OneLeaks is giving us our first look at the actual device, which might just end up being called the iPhone 9 or the iPhone SE2. Yes, the iPhone 9 could end up being the name from the long rumor a compact iPhone, and it looks every bit as promised from the previous leaks and rumors. The device will feature a dual glass build with a 4.7-inch display straight from the 2016 with the chunky top and bottom bezel and Touch ID sensor from the future back in 2014. Around the back, we see the forested glass finish like the iPhone 11 Pro Dual alongside a single camera LED flash and the Apple logo. The alleged dimension of the device are 138.5 by 67.4 by the 7.8mm, which is just a tad thicker than the iPhone 8. The iPhone 9 is expected to pack a 13 Bionic SoC, which debated on the iPhone 11 lineup alongside a 3GB of RAM. Another rumored addition is the new LCP antenna, which will offer improved network connectivity. Charging will still be done through the proprietary lighting port through. While it's still fairly early to talk about release date, we have been seeing rumors that the iPhone 9 will enter its production phase as soon as next month and could be released in March alongside the new 11 and the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. The expected starting price of the 64GB of variant iPhone 9 is the $399. Looking into the renders, we can assume that the new iPhone 9 or the SE2 will support a wireless charging as well. So guys, do you think the upcoming iPhone 9 or the SE2 4.7-inch 2020 iPhone could be the next in line for the best-selling smartphone throne? Could it be worthy notchless replacement competitor for the iPhone XR? So hope you like this video. If you like it, thumbs up and subscribe for more tech videos. Let me know your thought in the comment section about this phone, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.